Good morning, students. I welcome you all for the Sheba Group of School online class. So today we are going for a new lesson, new unit number 5 and prose. So convocational address by Dr. Aringer Annadurai. He lived from 1909 till 1969. He is a well-known person of Tamil Nadu. The whole Tamil Nadu, when you go to each and every part of Tamil Nadu, you will be going through this name. Anna Nagar, Anna Arch. So like that, you will be Anna Bridge, Anna Flyover. So he was Chief Minister for 2 years, but still he is a well-known and eminent person. So you are going to see about the author. Go to page number 142. So you should use your book and the lesson date should be written there on your book. So see on page number 142 about the author. Dr. Kanjivaram Nadarajan Annadurai. We call him as C.N. Annadurai. So 15 September 1906 he was born on that day and he died on 3rd February 1969, popularly called Aringer Anna, was an Indian politician who served as Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu from 1967 to 1969. He was a great orator. He was a very good speaker. He used to give beautiful speech and accumulate writers. He has written many writings. He has written dialogues for films also. Then Jawaharlal Nehru hailed him as one of the greater parliamentarians. So Jawaharlal Nehru told him that he was the greatest parliamentarian. He has published several novels, short stories and plays which incorporate. So many things are being taken as film and he is a well-known writer, politician and also social themes. C.N. Annadurai was awarded the Chubb Fellowship. So this is the highest award which has been given in Yale University in America. The first, usually they used to give this award to American writers and speakers, but this time the first Indian to receive this. The same year he was awarded as honorary doctorate from the Annamalai University. That is why it is called as doctorate. So he finished his PhD and honorarily he was got his PhD and now he is being called as Dr. Aringer Annadurai. So here he is being invited for a convocation where people will be awarded their studies. After finishing the studies they get this convocation. பட்டமளிப்பு விழான்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. காலேஜ் முடிச்சவங்க they used to wear a black coat and a type of cap and other things and they will be given. You should have seen the photographs. If nowadays they don't take all this. If you go to the olden people, they will be having a rolled paper in their hand and they will be wearing a black coat. So he goes there to give a speech. So he was being called there. So the famous address of the great in Annamalai University. So he was being invited in Annamalai University and he gives a speech for the convocational students on November 18, 1967 on the occasion of convocation. So first thing is they used to thankful as I am the unique honor. So I take a great privilege to be here to give you this convocation to me by this institution, that is Annamalai. I stand before this august assembly today to deliver the convocational address. So I am here to give your address, to speak to you about how you have to go through your life. So the greetings of the graduates of the year and wishing them all the bright and prosperous future. So after finishing the degree, they used to go for their work or they try for their jobs in many type of careers. So that is the place where they are being fixed up. So he greets them and it has to place appropriately guidelines. So I am going to give you some guidelines. So what you have to be. The fact that I am conscious of my limitation. So there are some limitation which has been given to me. So I cannot go through because you are all educated people, those who are sitting here. So I shall not attempt to offer. I don't want to give my own ideas to you or own advice. So I am going to repeat the ideas and things which has been given already by the well famous people. Some of the cardinal principle enumerated by those who offered their advice in the past years, perhaps with autonomication here and there. So I will be taking here and there of their thing. This is the age of a common man. So colleges, you used to see all type of students. But when you go to school, they will be different. So there are different types. But when you go to colleges, all students, all types of students of middle income, higher income, all this they join together. So where is in the philosophy or politics, ethics or economics? So students, those who are there with all the different degrees. So as respect of knowledge of nursing ground. So wisdom and service. So now you are all well good in your wisdom. So you have been educated. So now you know how to live. And what are the good and bad which is there in the life to play and prominence in growing every day. So every day you have to grow in your attitude and more individual getting themselves occupied for the task. So you have to go to work as individual. So before that in schooling the parents used to take us to school and other things, and the advice and other things will be given by our parents. But this is the day where you are going to take your own individual. So bettering society all the age. So hereafter you are going to live on your own legs. So you are not going to be a dependent. So you are going to work and you are going to earn. So first of all he talks about the monarchical. Monarchical means the people, those who are ruled, the kings. And feudal days, that is in the Middle Age, where universities had to be trained scholars and poets. So usually what happened, the poets and scholars, they will be working only under the king, and for the rich people to write their poetry and other things for them. But here what happened nowadays, it has been common that all the people, all of them are equal nowadays. So in olden days it is like that. Poets adored the chamber of royalty, and the people, those who are living in mansion, great palaces and other things. So these people who have been there to give them advices. So they will be wearing a costly type of different types of dresses. Yeah, Tenali Ramana patti solluvaanga. So he was being working in a king's court. But he is an ordinary poet, but he has got a wisdom. So after that what happened? This monarchy has been gone away. Things have been gone away. Now what happened? It is a democracy place. Whoever has got and capable, he can become a saint. So he calls it as a democracy. A task which kindness, sweet hope, but which demands a patience. So what happened is you should have some patience to work in a democratic, and a perseverance. You should have a confidence that you can work and you can earn, and you should have faith and confidence. You should have faith on yourself first, that I can go and work, earn, and I can support my family. Faith in himself or in others and confidence are inherent. So this is an inborn nature of the confidence that you have to work, ability to shoulder the responsibility. See, now you are going to enter into the world of responsibility. After finishing your studies, what happens? You will be going to work, then you earn, then you will be set up in a family background where you have to spend all your things and all your ability to common. The common man has become an origin of a potential ruler of today's duty. It's a duty for us that we should work and you should earn. So every democratic people has them fruitful and it is effective, because all of us, we go and work, we earn and we support the family, and we also upgrade ourselves into become a very great person. So most of the money needed for maintaining institution. So he talks about the institution, the universities which is there, they need a lot of money. So whatever you spend on your money is not the full money you spend. The government and the institution is also spend some money for us. So what you have to do is, after studying, what you have to do, you have to help the society, the public here. So institution higher education. So revenue collected is community through the state of a good proposition. So only a part of revenue, that's why we have to help the country. So we should not take ourselves, earning is not for us. You have to help the people, those who are there, who did not enjoy this period. Many did not get an opportunity to go and study in the colleges. They will be working as a farmer in the field or in some industries. So after finishing a certain type of education, they go and work and they support the family. In this family, what happened? We are made to be overcome, we will be lifted up. So you should not forget them. So when you earn, what you have to do? You have to support the family. So you may find self-seekers enthroned in patient workers. So you have to take it in your mind that you have to work. So what your study says, to work and you have to help your family. I admit that the environment is such that even people with a robust or optimistic, positively we are there. So we take positive type of attitude that we have to work, earn and we have to support the family. So some people will be discouraging. Why you are working and you are helping a family? You can live a life that is not good. So, but we should also realize that a continuous stream of men and women endowed with the spirit of service have been carrying the cascade. So, what happens is we have to carry on. It's a cascade means it's the waterfalls or the thing which moves away. So, when it passes through, what happens? It helps the people, and when it passes through the fields, what happens? It helps the field, and then when it goes to the town and other people they drink water. So the water will be moving on. So your life is like that. You are after finishing your studies, what you have to do after earning, you will be moving on like that, and you have to help, and many people will be taking help from you. So we the Tamilians have been holding afford that ideas for more than 2000 years from as expression in Purananuru. So Purananuru and Agananuru, there are books which is our Tamil literature talks about our old type of life where people they earn. Nobody was idle. People will be working from their age till their old age. Many old age people will be working in the field. So it has been given. The inheritance of the rich legacy. So what happened? The people, we have been inherited with that type of legacy. That way we should work and we should not sit idle. So the best situation for overcome this environment and serve society to the best of your ability. Not only you are earning for yourself, you have to serve the society. Society is a thing which is around us. The people, those who are living around us, you have to help them also. So I am confident that you are being sent into the wide world. So this after finishing your degree, what you are going to do? You are going to this wide world. The world is open now. You can go and live, and you can earn as you like. So whatever job you like, you can choose yourself. It is not that you are going to be in a limited position. You are going to this whole wild world. With this objective, you are bound to win. So when you go out, what happens? You have to win your life. So failures may come, but you have to overcome them and you have to win your life. So for you are adequately equipped with the spirit supplied by this great institution. The Annamalai University has given you an opportunity to finish your degree, and you are being given a degree for that, to show the people that you have completed your education. So you have to go and work, and you have to bring name for this society also, not only for the society but also for the institution where you have studied. So you should not forget your school where you studied. Then afterwards you study, finishing a school, you go to the colleges where you complete your studies there. After completing your studies, you go and work in a very big institutions. But you should not forget our people, those who gave us an opportunity to learn. So, may your life be a bright one, and may it lecture brighter. So what happened? He wishes now. First he greets in the beginning of the lesson. Now he is greeting each and everyone who are gathered here. Each and everyone that and may the lecture brightness. The sun is the thing which gives us brightness. It automatically comes. It doesn't see any people. It shines. It makes the world to get into work. Eat the flowers, the birds sing. All the things which is around us, it has been going on. Yes. So what happened is, you have been given an opportunity to be well educated. Now you are an educated person. Your ability and your wisdom has been grown up, and you will be respected by the society. So you will be called up for your life. So whatever you do is, to have studies will help you. So bright future is there for us. Don't think what to do and how to live our life. Whatever education is there, education helps us to live a greater life and to upgrade us. Not only stopping our education, you will be going on with your education, and also you can work. So here what he says is, they are the bright ones. So the sun is like that. It helps each and every one. The whole day it works. It doesn't take any rest. From early morning till the sunset, what happened? The sun works. So we should also be like that. We should work, and you should be, your future should be a brighter one. May the lecture brightness, the entire land, the whole universe is being there for us, where the sun is being given light to each and one. There we also should be like that. Our life should be a lightning life, and you should help others. So education is like that, because some people they sacrifice for our education. So only one will be educated in a family. So other people will be working from their age. So what you have to do is, after getting their education, what you have to do is, you have to help them. Don't forget them. Accept my congratulation and march onwards. So take my congratulation. I am wishing you. I congratulate each and every student, those who are here for attending this conversation, and you have got an opportunity to learn, to get education in this greatest Annamalai University. So he was also a student there. So still there is a room there in Annamalai University where people are there, and he also completed his studies in here in Chennai in Pachabas College, and where he has got a room for that. Still people are being there. So what happened is, whenever you should have complete your education, you should be useful to the society, and your name should not be forgotten by anyone. And march onwards. Hereafter don't look backside. Don't look behind, and stop your march. March forward. The world is open for us to go and earn and work for us, and we can. So towards the land of smiles. So the land is full of smiles. So what happened to you? Take your thing in your life and go and live a happy life, smileful life. Hereafter all your worries are being taken away. Now you are a free person. So now we are given an opportunity to go and work, and you have to support the society. So here he gives us that advice that not educated person are always respectable person. So when you get this respect, what you have to do is try to help others, and this will help us, and our life will also be upgraded, and you will be put up in a very good position. So God will lift up us. So education is the only thing which makes people to live their life. So Bible also says like that. Yeah, seek God. First thing is you have to seek God. If you seek God, you will be attaining your wisdom and knowledge. So knowledge comes from God. God is the person who gives us this education, and he gives us the job and other things and work. So it is not by our own strength. Also we study the things which it comes from God, and you remember this and help others, and which will be useful for you. So thank you students, God bless you, and keep you safe. Go through this lesson and go through this lesson. Thank you.